Today, I'm going to show you how you can leverage the incredible growth of the print-on-demand industry to create a profitable passive income stream, and how you can achieve this without designing a single product, managing inventory, or dealing with shipping, all while helping others discover this exciting world of e-commerce. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a digital marketer, or simply someone looking for a new stream of income, this opportunity is too good to ignore. Hi, this is Addie and Mark here, and on behalf of myself and my team at Mindful Effect, we are thrilled to introduce you to our latest PLR product, Your Income. And this PLR will absolutely transform the way you think about online income. Our mission is to empower people like you to build a business that doesn't just make money, but also gives you the freedom to live life on your terms. With private label rights, you're getting a ready-to-go business model that you can brand, sell, and profit from right away. Let me ask you something. Are you ready to multiply your income and elevate your business in one of the most in-demand niches today? If you answered yes, then you're in exactly the right place. This is your opportunity to dive into the print-on-demand market and establish yourself as an authority, all with minimal effort. Not next year, not when you get around to it, but starting today. The reality is, most people give up just when they're on the verge of their next big breakthrough. They get bogged down in the technicalities of product creation, or they can't find the right niche. And I don't want that to be you. Stick with me, and I'll show you how you can tap into this billion-dollar industry with a complete, ready-made solution that requires almost no effort. Let's clear up some common misconceptions. No, you don't need to be a design expert. You don't need to be tech-savvy. And you definitely don't need to spend hours scouring the internet for strategies that may or may not work. So what's the real secret to building a successful online business? Think of the top online entrepreneurs. What do they all have in common? They have their own products, courses, and content. That's how they build their brand and establish authority in their niche. If you want to take your business to the next level, the key is having high-quality content in a trending market presented to the right audience at the right time. That's how you set yourself apart and become a trusted name in your industry. But let's be real. Creating a product from scratch takes time, effort, and skill. The good news? I have a shortcut for you. What if I could hand you a ready-made, high-quality course that allows you to enter the print-on-demand market without any of the hassle? What if I could remove the need for endless research, content creation, and graphic design so you can focus on growing your business? Today, I'm giving you full access to a brand new, 100% unique PLR product. Introducing Your Income, print-on-demand mastery with full PLR rights. This is one of the most sought-after topics in e-commerce, and this PLR course provides a comprehensive step-by-step guide to success in the print-on-demand world. Packed with strategies, insights, and actionable steps, Your Income is the ultimate roadmap for those ready to dive into print-on-demand and build a profitable business. This blueprint offers everything your audience needs to start, grow, and scale a successful print-on-demand venture. You can sell it for 100% profit, edit it, rebrand it, put your name as the author, use it as a lead magnet, add it to a membership site, feed your blog with valuable content, repurpose it. The choice is yours. This isn't some low-quality, generic PLR package. Our team and I have put in the hard work to create a well-researched, high-quality, in-demand PLR package with all the materials you need to succeed. We've literally done all the heavy lifting for you. You're getting a total of 12 comprehensive modules covering every essential aspect of print-on-demand. The pack includes editable ebook, video lessons, complete checklist, a mind map, a high-converting sales page, thank you page, captivating video sales letter, PowerPoint presentation, done-for-you email swipes, a graphics vault, license certificates, and more. Plus, you'll receive an exclusive bonus report, 5-minute guide to print-on-demand, along with a ready-to-go landing page to start building your list and generating sales from day one. This is a full-scale PLR package that saves you massive time and money if you were to create everything yourself. With Your Income, there's no need to waste hours on niche research, no need to hire expensive copywriters or graphic designers, and no need to spend endless hours creating content. Starting from scratch can take a lot of valuable time that could be spent on scaling and growing your business. Why start at square one when you have a complete high-quality product ready and waiting for you? And if you act today, you'll gain access to exclusive limited-time bonuses. This offer is available only for a short time, so if the bonuses are still listed below, you're in luck. For an extremely limited time, we're offering this entire PLR package at an unbeatable price. Don't be fooled by the low cost. Our commitment is to provide you with maximum value, so we're offering this premium PLR package with high-quality content at a fraction of the usual cost. I want to keep my promise. You get everything on this page at an exceptionally affordable investment. But don't wait. Once the timer hits zero, the price will increase significantly. No ongoing fees, no subscriptions, and just one low price for a complete PLR package that's designed to generate recurring income from just one sale. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how print on demand works and why so many entrepreneurs are jumping on board? Imagine launching your own business without managing inventory, handling shipping, or making an upfront investment in products. Your Income is the ultimate guide to tapping into this lucrative business model. We cover every aspect from researching niches and choosing products to building a brand, marketing strategies, and scaling for profit. Imagine being able to offer your audience a complete roadmap to success in print on demand, from setting up their first store to creating a strong brand and leveraging paid ads for growth. With Your Income, you'll empower your customers with the knowledge to thrive in the print-on-demand world. Whether they want to sell custom t-shirts, mugs, posters, or accessories, this course gives them everything they need to get started and succeed. Don't miss out on this high-demand niche. Even a beginner can see that this is a golden opportunity that doesn't come around often. And to make it risk-free, we're backing it with a rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. We're so confident this is the best investment you can make today that we're taking on all the risk. Really, there's no way to lose with this winning deal if you act now. So why wait? Click the order button below and let Your Income be your stepping stone.